Welcome back to the Real Crypto Space, and today's video is going to be on COTI.
Welcome back to the Real Crypto Space. As Louis said, this will be a nice update video for you guys on COTI, and hopefully you guys enjoy this video because it's not financial advice, and yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy.
But before this video starts, I just want to mention that this video is being recorded on the 23rd of December because we will be on holiday during Christmas and New Year's, so therefore we won't be able to record, but we still want to get videos out for you guys, so therefore we are going to be putting these videos out for you guys, and all the information in it is still relative, so don't click off the video just because it's being recorded on the 23rd. All the technical analysis is still relative for long term, and also all the updates are very relative as well, so make sure you stick around to the end of this video. So just looking at Coinmarketcap, not Coinmarketcap, Coingecko, sorry. Yesterday it had a huge 20% pump, and today it's had a huge 13.7% pump. The market cap is still so small for this project, $327 million. And we were literally holding this at 3 cents or something like that, which was when we first started talking about this project. So it really is done extremely well since then. So if you bought then congrats to you. So yeah, if we look in the past 30 days, we can see what's going on here. As we can see, it was all the way at almost 50 cents around 2nd of December, 1st of December even, and right now we're sitting at around 40 cents or so, well 37 cents right now, 38 cents. So we could have a long way to go up here, depending on what Bitcoin does. It's all to do what Bitcoin does right now. If it goes 28 or if it goes back up to 50s, we will see what happens there. But if you want to know where you can buy this, it's a big token, it's a big known project, so you can get it on crypto.com, Binance, KuCoin, all the main exchanges, so there's nothing to worry about there. So if you have a look on all the updates that are coming with COTI at the moment, being listed on more exchanges all the time, which is always great news to see. It just means more adoption can happen for it, so that's great. Also on decentralized and centralized as well, so there's options for both people there. There's nothing to worry about there. And also, of course, it's on the ERC20, which is what you want. You don't really want it on the COTI chain. The ERC20 chain is more better because more exchanges are accepting that. For example, Crypto.com, you would not be able to send COTI on the COTI chain. So, for example, if you're using KuCoin, you want to get it to Crypto.com, you won't be able to from KuCoin to Crypto.com because KuCoin is is COTI chain, and then Crypto.com is ERC20. So most exchanges are doing it with ERC20, which is the best option. Of course, more fees, but it's more accepted, so it's much better that way. Unless you're just planning on holding it, of course. If you just want to hold it on KuCoin, you don't want to do anything else with it, I would suggest getting it on KuCoin and doing it on the COTI network, as it's cheaper fees for you and everything like that. And of course, this is the leading exchange in Korea, so huge adoption there for Korea, which is great. As welcome to our new Korean community, which is just amazing to be bringing in new countries to the space here. So as we know, there is a debit card for COTI called COTI Pay, and we are happy to share that you can now convert your COTI native tokens into euros, which is huge, in your COTI bank account and immediately spend it on your COTI card. So this is almost like you're having a current account with COTI. This is huge. This is great. What's going on with COTI there. And of course, there's absolute high yield staking now on Binance. You're going to be getting up to 35% on your COTI. That is absolutely massive, especially for the market cap of this project. It's still small. I seriously think this could be a $5 billion plus market cap with what this project's doing. I mean, just have a look here. Yeah, there's other projects such as Plutus that are doing similar things, but I genuinely do believe COTI is better simply because they're also partnered with Orion Protocol, which is just an absolute gem of mine, as you guys know. And of course, there's more partnerships happening with AdaSwap, for example. So there's decentralized exchange. We'll establish the first decentralized exchange on the Cardano network. So that's huge there as well. So there's so much going on with it. There's so much to be excited for with COTI. It really, really is a great project. I do love this project. It's a great long-term hold. I'd even be buying now. It doesn't matter if you're a long-term holder. 5 years, whatever it is, you'll seriously make money with COTI. Of course, not financial advice there at all. Take it all with a grain of salt. Do your own due diligence. It's so important that you do that. But let's get straight into technical analysis.
Okay guys, welcome to this technical analysis, and as you can see here on the daily time frame, we can see that we have formed a massive downward trend, and we do look like we want to be breaking out. It does look like a descending triangle but like a half a triangle, which does look quite weird. But we are looking like we do want to be breaking out. But in my opinion, because it's a little bit of a wick, it doesn't look like it wants to be strong. However, in my opinion, because we are looking more and more bullish, we've actually balanced out around 0.47 today, almost 0.47, which is quite interesting because COTI currently has been in a massive downtrend, and it's good to see like a nice relief rally for everyone that's been buying the dip. You know, it has been working out for them. But currently on the daily time frame, we do look like we are still within that downward trend. And personally, as Louis said, if you are a long-term holder, it's always good to just keep on buying the cryptocurrency that you believe in, and always dollar cost averaging within a specific time period, or dollar cost averaging when the price is at a price that you may want. So yeah, personally, what I think is that this cryptocurrency project still has a lot of potential, and it still has a lot of possibilities to actually potentially reach its all-time high again, and you know, become a cryptocurrency that is used within many ERC20 tokens and exchanges. And I do think that it has got the possibility to actually become all-time high once again by the end of potentially 2022. And if you go to the hourly time frame, as you can see on the hourly time frame, we can see that we've had a massive bullish candle all the way from 0.335 all the way to 0.41, and that is an insane person that bought the cryptocurrency. And it does go to show you how big this cryptocurrency actually has gotten, and it does make you understand how much potential it can actually reach if you were an investor within this cryptocurrency. And yeah, it does go to show you how much of an X you would have made if you invested from early. But as you can see, we are still in early stages. Price can definitely be manipulated very easily, and it just goes to show you how easy someone is to actually buy and sell the price, and you know, fluctuate the price very easily. Because as you can see, a lot of money entered the cryptocurrency market, and we are looking like we are forming a bull flag. So we want to see an extension higher, potentially to all-time high and beyond.
So that is now the end of the video. If you have enjoyed, please make sure you press that like button and also press that red subscribe button. It really does help us out, and we really do appreciate it.